In the heart of Wales, inside Aston Martin's state-of-the-art St Athan Facility, the legend of the DBX S begins, not as a car, but as a vision carved from precision, passion, and power. Here, design meets destiny, where engineers craft every line in digital perfection, sculpting aerodynamic curves, balancing airflow, and defining the DNA of power long before a single piece of metal is ever forged. Aluminium extrusions are laser-trimmed and hand-bonded, forming a chassis lighter than steel yet stronger than belief. The skeleton of elegance and endurance that will carry the soul of this machine. In a silent cathedral of color, robotic precision and human artistry merge in perfect harmony. Layer after layer of deep metallic paint is applied and polished until the surface mirrors absolute perfection. At its core, the heart of this beast awakens, a twin turbocharged 4.0-liter V8, re-engineered by Aston Martin's performance division, balanced to micrograms, tuned with aerospace-level precision, and capable of unleashing 727 horsepower of pure British thunder. It roars to life as the spirit of raw performance. Then comes the moment of truth, the marriage, when engine meets body, guided by steady hands and surgical precision. It's here, under the bright lights of St Athan, that aluminium, leather, and fire unite, and the DBX S takes its very first breath. Inside, artisans shape perfection with human touch and tradition, cutting and stitching, hand-selected leather, fitting carbon fiber trims, and infusing every surface with craftsmanship born from decades of British mastery. Every stitch, every curve, every sound within the cabin tells a story, one of dedication, artistry, and the relentless pursuit of beauty in motion. After thousands of meticulous inspections and a symphony of tests, the DBX S emerges from its birthplace. Alive, powerful, perfect. It rolls into the dawn light, its polished body reflecting the golden hues of the morning sky, ready to conquer every road it touches. This is more than manufacturing. It is creation.